Hello everyone and welcome to my new tutorial video regarding Coinhouse. This is Scramble from Emotionless Crypto Trading, and today's topic is going to be related to how to purchase cryptocurrency with credit card. For those of you looking to get bonuses and sort of way less fees, all sorts of advantages, make sure to sign up from the link located in the description area or comments area of this video. I'm partnered with them. Right, so once you created your account and you're ready to go, now as you may know, before you can complete a purchase, you need to verify your identity with them, which means you need to put your name, you need to put your details of address, and then you have to send them a passport or national ID, which is confirming your input, as well as a little picture with you holding a message in your hand saying that I want to buy from Coinhouse with today's date at the time you're signing up. So the KYC verification is simple, guys. Don't need to be feeling bad about it or anything such. Once you get your account confirmed, you need to log in and head over to the dashboard area, just like we're right now. Now here in the dashboard area, basically, which is this one, you don't want to be right there. You do want to go to my accounts, and then within your accounts you want to say buy to any of the cryptocurrencies you would like to purchase. I've clicked on Bitcoin right now, so we've got two options left. Depending on the type of account we have, we're going to have limits introduced to the account depending on the type of the account. Just like you know, and I have other tutorials, there's 3 types of accounts you can open, which are having different limits, different fees, different benefits. Depends on which account you have. That is what kind of criteria are applied to you. So with a credit card one, it's simple. We already have here a credit card introduced, but I'm going to share with you. So you click on the credit card just like I did, and then it's going to ask you to add a credit card in this way: name, card number, expiration date, year. So then you just confirm it, and then it's going to show up like this. So once it shows up like this, you simply click on this arrow, and then basically it presents you in the following way, where you chose your amount. You will put your amount. For example, if I put here 1,000, it's going to show up in euros, of course. And then the BTC to buy, it is going to be the exchange rate that you will receive for the 1,000 euros exchange. So that means you put here on the left side 1,000 euros I want to exchange, and then here I'm going to get the quantity of bitcoins I will receive for this 1,000. Currently, my account that I've just opened up to share with you all these testings and all the demos and tutorials is basically under verification. My main account, where I've been doing all sorts of activities and transactions with Coinhouse, is verified, and I've been doing all sorts of movements. But here, this is just for tutorial purposes, so that's why it says max amount with your current level is 0, because I'm not yet verified for this tutorial account on the KYC, guys. Now once you're verified, it's not going to tell you this error. Simply KYC verification takes about 48 hours maximum, depends on the volume of work. And then you click next step, so then you confirm. That's all. Now this thing is not going to take a while after completing it, which means that you proceed ahead, you confirm your payment, and the exchange is usually happening in about 10 minutes or less. Now when does that happen? It is quite fine, because other exchanges like Coinhouse, for example Coinbase, which is very popular out there, but that's not based in Europe, that is based in America. And here usually this thing is right for the Europeans because it's regulated in French, and all the authorities that are all around Europe have been accepting Coinhouse, so therefore it is definitely approved and allowed to work with it in Europe as overall. So that means you don't need to wait like a Coinbase a couple of days until you got your bitcoins or so forth, or with any other service out there. When you don't have these fees there are at Coinhouse, you actually have way higher fees. Now, this is pretty much all about it, guys. Then the Bitcoin will appear within your account. So that's how you purchase. The first thing, you need to add your credit card. And after you add your credit card, you select your credit card. And then you say how much money you want to spend for. And then you'll see the quantity of Bitcoins. You confirm your payment and crypto will appear very soon in your account. Do not be afraid if you don't see crypto within your account within the next second after you purchase, because this takes a little time for the system to do the exchange and give you the Bitcoins. So, or Ethereum or any other crypto out there. So don't be afraid at all. Coinhouse is legit, is approved, and is a serious company with offline offices and shops as well. So we're talking about serious stuff here. Beautiful. That's pretty much all about the way you buy with credit card. We're going to have another video explaining the way you buy with the bank transfer. Thank you once again. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. And for those who are looking to become professional traders, check out scramblecoaching.com, where I am sharing with people how my private one-on-one coaching works. Thank you. If you enjoyed, like the video, and I will talk to you soon.